What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you guys some of my thoughts, some of my breakdown in terms of what I want to do right now in crypto. And this is very, very important because there will be many people who will lose in this upcoming market. They will lose in this market for a lot of reasons. Number one, they don't have a plan in place. Straight up, they have no idea. And I made these mistakes back in 2021. Yes, we did okay. Could have done a lot better with a plan in place. So have a plan, okay? And part of that plan is, what are you going to invest in? How are you going to take profits? But the big thing is being in the right projects, being in the right sectors, being in the assets that see the biggest X's, but that are also cryptos where you're not taking massive risk, right? So it's a delicate balance, right? Trying to figure that all out, trying to navigate all that. So in this video, I kind of want to highlight how I'm structured, how I'm kind of setting myself up. It's not to say this is like the only way to do it or you got to do it this way. It isn't. It's never a one size fits all approach, right? But I want to at least share with you guys what I'm doing, and maybe you guys can glean from it. Maybe you guys can pick certain things out of here that you like and implement some of this stuff into your plan, okay? So first and foremost, backbone of my portfolio, Bitcoin is right up there. And a lot of my profits already that I've taken since we've been coming up since 2022 and 2023, they go back into Bitcoin, right? Or they go back into the stock market. I want to de-risk slowly but surely, right? And when you do that in crypto, you get back into Bitcoin. So that's number one. Ethereum hasn't pumped yet. My bags are packed on ETH. It's not to say I don't have Solana, and now I have a lot of SUI. I have a lot of Kaspa still. Mind you, we were buying Kaspa at like 4 cents. So I know the price action hasn't been great, but I'm still up significantly on it, and I do think it's going to have another run. Solana, same thing. We've kind of just been stacking it through Solana meme coins. A lot of people asking where I think Sol could go. Nobody knows, but I'm thinking $500 to $700. And I've got profit-taking strategy in place starting at $500 with Sol. And a lot of that, again, is stacked up through meme coin wins where I've just moved that money over into Solana itself. Why not, right? When you're trading on a chain, the goal for me is to acquire more of the actual chain's token, like the layer one token. So when I'm trading on SUI, I'm trying to acquire more SUI. When I'm trading on Solana, I'm trying to acquire more Solana. If I'm trading on Ethereum, trying to acquire more Ethereum. That's the goal. Now, let's get into sectors because these are large caps. I get all that. By the way, I hold a bunch of XRP too. I've got a good amount of HBAR, good amount of Algorand. So those three in the ISO sectors that are top cryptos, that's where I'm kind of hedging my bets right now. And I do want to open up a position in XLM. I own a little bit. I want to open up a bigger position. RWA, for me, it's Ondo Finance and then everything else. I got it in relatively early to Ondo. That's the one I'm betting big on. We'll see. Again, not financial advice. I'm just a YouTuber. Don't take this as gospel. We're just trying to navigate this space, guys. Like, I want to be upfront and honest with you guys. Nobody has this all figured out. Nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody has, exactly how this is going to play out. We're just, going through this. We're trying to navigate it together, right? AI sector, I've got a lot of big plays there. I've mentioned TARS AI quite a bit. I've mentioned, obviously, Injective, Render, FET, some of the large caps. I've got a bunch of small cap plays too. We talk a lot about those on the Crypto Breakfast Club. If you're into small caps, make sure you guys are tuning in every Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 11:30. We live stream it here on YouTube. Make sure you're subscribed. We also throw it out there on X Spaces and broadcast it live there. But I want some exposure to AI, right? I want some exposure to AI because I don't think that narrative's done. Okay, and Injective, Render, Tau, and FET are kind of my big plays there in terms of the large caps. Then from there, we hold some PAL AI, we got some TARS AI, and we're looking at a few others around 100 million. I'll kind of update this as we go and bring you up to speed when my portfolio is fully ready for 2025. Other than that, gaming plays, Superverse, big time. These are plays I like. Superverse, big time. And I still hold a good position in Gala and Beam. These are more infrastructure plays. And I hold WAGMI as a relatively small cap. I got a bunch of their NFTs. So I got exposure to the gaming space through those. By the way, if you need to pause this or go back in the video, write these down, go check all these yourself, see what you like, see what you don't like. After that, meme coins, let's start at the top. I've got strong positions in Dogecoin, SHIB, and Pepe. Strong positions there. After that, it's Lofi on Sui for me. It's SNEC on Cardano. I want the largest meme coins, what I think is going to be the largest meme coins on the chain. SNEC on Cardano, Lofi on Sui. I've got Tron Bull and Sundog on Tron. I do think Tron will have another run again. They're struggling a little bit right now, but they're still relatively solid. But it's kind of low down on the totem pole. I mentioned Crow with Knife, Caw. If you guys are into Kronos, that's the largest meme coin on the Kronos blockchain. But I'm heavy on Sui, guys. I'm bullish as hell on Sui. It's become one of my top holdings because how early we got in and how well it's done. And I think Sui meme coins are going to be kind of the new age Solana meme coins. And I think Sui's going to do what Solana did last cycle. That's just my thesis. Who knows, right? I could be right, could be wrong. In terms of some other meme coins that I like, though, that I'm holding more long-term, Ponky on Solana is another one. Okay, Ponky on Solana, Bobo on Ethereum, Brett on Base. Brett on Base is the play for me. That is the largest market cap. I think eventually it'll get listed on Robinhood, all the top tier exchanges. So that's kind of my quick rundown on where I'm at with meme coins, right? Other than that, I'm going to be taking profits on all these meme coins and putting them back into the top layer ones, right? So again, SNEC on Cardano. I'm going to be trying to stack a little bit more Cardano as we roll along. Same thing with Lofi on Sui. We'll slowly drip profits once they hit our targets. And at the end of the day, our bags are packed on, these layer ones already. I've round tripped Cardano. I still hold a bunch of Cardano, but I do think it's going to do well. I've got a, nice position now in Solana through Solana meme coins. Ethereum, we've talked about that. So a lot of this is utilizing the relatively small caps to gain more of the native asset. I know it's simple, it might sound stupid, but it's a safe way to play the small cap market, meme coin market, or whatever altcoin market, and get it back into less risky altcoins. Now, when these altcoins, all of them hit certain levels, certain price levels, I'm getting out of my trade, or I'm going to slowly start taking profits at various levels. I have a plan with each asset. I've created like a full document. It's a full breakdown. A lot of people want me to share that. I don't want to do all that because then it becomes this whole thing. But what I'm suggesting is that you create something like this. You create a similar plan, a similar strategy that fits your style, that fits the amount of money you're putting in, that fits your plan, your goals, and therefore you're ready. Because if you go into this bull run not prepared with a plan, and I mean a detailed plan, I promise you, you're going to come out on the other side of it and wish you would have done it. I did this in 2021. I went through it, and again, we did great. But we could have done a lot better. And I think a lot of people share their similar sentiments. So that's a quick breakdown, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. What am I missing? What's in your portfolio? Let me know in the comment section down below. Smash the like button. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.